The Clarke CML5 hydraulic motorcycle and ATV lift is manufactured to allow users to access, service and repair motorcycles and all-terrain vehicles easily, safely and comfortably. Simply position your bike onto the contact pads, lower the steadies and secure with the supplied ratchet straps for extra stability. The CML5 can lift 680 kilograms up to a maximum height of 430 millimeters with the easy-to-use foot pedal lifting mechanism. It also features a ratchet safety lock that prevents accidental lowering. The CML5 raises your bike or all-terrain vehicle to a convenient working height, taking away the strain and potential dangers of having to bend or kneel down for long periods to access engine and drive components. With its all-steel construction, easy-to-use foot pedal-operated lifting mechanism and 4 wheels for easy maneuverability, the CML5 is exceptionally easy to use and is a must-have for those who work on motorcycles on a regular basis. This Clarke CMS1 Mechanics Mobile Seat is the ideal accessory for use with the CML5. Reduce fatigue and keep your clothes cleaner. With its tough powder-coated steel frame, strong rubber casters, oil-resistant padded vinyl seat and integral storage tray for tools and parts. Convenient, durable, safe and easy to use, the CML5 represents excellent value for money.